Hi guys, this is Miss Weeks, and today we are going to be learning a few different things. One of those is how I would like you to set up Google Documents in your Google Drive. So, first of all, I'm just in my Google account page. It's just my home page. I want you to become familiar with this right here. This is what I call the waffle. You're going to click on the waffle whenever you're creating a document. I want you to go into your drive. Remember, my drive will look different than yours. So I want you to specifically go to shared drives over here. You will see that I have created a shared drive for each of your classes. For the purpose of this video, I'm just going to go into this generic class drive that doesn't have anything in it. So I clicked into it, so I was in shared drive just right here, and then I chose the one I wanted to go to. I double clicked it, and now I'm inside. So I want you all to create your documents in your class's drive. So it's going to be your shared drive, not in your private drive. You can always share it to your private drive or make a copy and save it there. But I want your work to be displayed in your digital class drive. So the purpose of that is that your peers can actually edit and proofread your documents. This is something that you are going to be doing together. Remember, we are a team in here, and that's what your teammates are there for. They're there to help you and to help you succeed. We all want to get there together, so this is a way that I think we should be doing that. So in your shared drive, I'm going to show you how I want all of your documents to be created. So we're going to go right over here to New, Google Doc, Blank Document. We're just going to create a blank document. And remember, we're not actually making anything specific. This is just to show you how I want all of your documents to be labeled and created where I want them. So we're going to go over here. This is going to be the name of the document. Right now it doesn't have a name. We're going to give it one. So you're just going to click in. It should highlight it, and then I want you to start typing. So I want you to always type in first your last name. So I'm going to use myself as an example. A comma, a space, your first name, a dash, and then the name of the assignment. We're going to call this one Assignment Sample. We're still in the title. I want you to just click out of it anywhere else on the page, and then you'll see right here all the changes are saved in the drive, and that is great. This means that the classroom is essentially extended anywhere where you have internet access. You will be able to go into your drive, edit your documents, make changes to your peers' documents. You can proofread there. You can do this at home. You can do this in the car. You can do this in another classroom. You could do this in your Redskin Readiness class if you needed to work on it outside of our class. So that is really convenient for you. And it's a really great way that we can be using technology. How do we get out of here? We're going to go to Docs Home. This is going to look different for you than it is me, and I want us to go back into the drive. And again, I want you to be paying attention to the shared drive. So you are going to see in your shared drive section of your drive home ribbon right here, or this little sidebar, you're going to see your drive. So second hour, third hour, etc. Something else I wanted to go over. I'm actually going to rename this document just so I can show you how edits can be made. So I'm in a slideshow that I created for you, a presentation, and I'm going to change the name of it to match the format that I prefer. So I'm just in my document. I'm going to rename it, so I'm just going to click in it. I'm going to double click and highlight all of it, and I'm going to type in just exactly how I taught you. Last name, comma, first name, dash, name of my assignment, how to write a thank you note. Presentation. And it is saved. Good. Right there. Okay. Excellent. Alright, so that was my tutorial on how I want you to create every document in my class from this point forward. Thank you so much for listening.